What's up, what's popping, you guys? It's your girl Charmaine. It's a bit darker now because I started filming this video in the afternoon and now it's like 7 p.m 8 p.m, so don't worry about the light change. Today I'm going to be installing this beautiful 20-inch water wave wig from Yolissa Hair. They sent me this beautiful wig. It's so nice and soft and curly and beachy and summery, and I'm quite literally obsessed with it. So if you'd like to see the details on how I install this wig, continue watching. So guys, I started off with putting on my bald cap, but I just want to do this off camera all the time now, simply because one, my cornrows are always old and I never have the energy to go and do them. Two, it's just faster, it's quicker because I focus more. So yeah, then I'm going in with my foundation, and make sure you just use foundation that's closest to your skin color so it blends. So today's wig was sent to me by Yolissa Hair, and this wig, you guys, first of all, I'm literally editing this video with this wig on because I wore it today. It's so soft. The material, the quality, however you want to call it, it was really soft, and you'll see in the whole video I'm just like touching it and like feeling up on it because it's really soft. And also I'm obsessed with the length. This is a 20-inch water wave wig as well, and it also smelled like hair, like human hair, you know what I mean? Which is, I really appreciate stuff like that. This is the lace, pretty well plucked, honestly. I wasn't too mad at the plucking. That's the inside of the cap. Obviously you've got your clips, your 3 clips in there and stuff like that. So here, guys, I'm just popping the wig on, and I'm gonna show you the lace just now. Do you see? It's realistic, you know. I'm just very used to plucked, you know. I always just customize it by myself. But if you're not too good at plucking, or if you're a beginner at plucking, or if you just want a natural looking lace and stuff like that, and if you want a natural looking hairline, I feel like this wig is perfect for that, because the plucking, it comes pre-plucked and it looks really natural without me even touching it. But obviously I went, and this is the clip of me showing you after I plucked the wig, you know, not too much, but just, you know, you see, I just added a little bit more plucking to it. Either way, it was fine without it. I just wanted to pluck it more. So now I'm going in with my foundation again on the lace part, and I noticed that, guys, putting foundation both on your wig cap and the lace itself gives it more of a natural like blend, you know. I don't know, it just made more sense to me that way. And I'm also just drying the lace here where I put the foundation, and look at the difference. You see, hold on, I'm gonna show you just now. Look at the difference. It's giving scalp. I haven't glued it yet, but it's giving scalp without the glue, and I was really into it. I was really liking what I was seeing. Also, okay, I did mention this before, the quality of this wig was insane. Like, it's so nice. Here I'm just cutting the ends off. So guys, I wanted to remove the edges off because, I don't know, I just didn't like, it kept on showing through the lace. So I decided to go ahead and take them off on both sides. And now I'm just putting on again. As you can see on the edges, it doesn't show the wig cap anymore because I took the sides off. crease because that's the best thing to do when laying. I don't know, it makes it easier. It gives a more flawless lay instead of just laying it all at once. So now I'm just going in with my glue. So I always start with the sides. Some people start with the middle part, and for me that's very different. I don't know, I just feel better starting with the sides. So I'm combing it back. I want you guys to really like see Wagwan there by the lace. Like, it's really giving. Like, I was obsessed. Just laying it was very fun for me. And yeah, you know. Also, I'm sure you guys can see the quality of this wig. Come on. I'm just very excited to wear this wig at the beach or something, because it's really giving like summer beachy vibes. And yeah, I just put on my free spray, and I'm gonna lay the other two parts. Nothing too hectic. So I'm going in with the middle part, and now see, the lace here was starting to kind of like confuse me because it started to kind of like scrunch up, and I don't know why. You'll see later on, like, it was starting to give me stress, and I don't really know what happened exactly, but it was kind of like scrunching up in the middle. I don't know if this has ever happened to you guys, let me know what the cause of that is. I don't know if it was because the wig didn't seem like it was small for me, as in the cap size, it didn't seem like it was small for me, but the way it was like scrunching up in the middle, it seemed like it was too small. You know, like when you buy something that's too small for you, when you wear something that's too small for you, it like scrunches up a bit. So that's what it was doing, and I wasn't understanding why. I obviously fixed it in the end, but I still just want to know the science behind it. But yeah, maybe it was too much foundation. I don't know. But yeah, I laid it. I waited for a bit, and now, yeah, it came off just like that. So yeah, the wig was, you know, it was giving. I liked it. The lace was giving. Just the middle part was messing me up, man. And also when I cut it, it was just messing me up. But it all came out nicely in the end. Look at that. Y'all see that? But anyways, let's cut this wig. Now, child, cutting this wig, hey? Cutting this wig. Well, not wig, girl. Cutting this lace. Like, look closely. Look at what I'm talking about. Like, look really, really closely. I don't know. I kept on looking at it, and I'm like, okay, maybe it's the lighting. So then I took off some of the glue, and then I re-glued some parts and stuff like that. Like, I was working, child. I was working. I just want to know the science behind it. But anyways. So as I was laying it, I had to relay it again. And then I used this other band instead of the previous band. And yeah, you guys will hear me speak about it in the next clip. Okay, let's take her off this time and see. Anywho, we just gonna have to work with what we have. Let me take this part of the mix. I really wish the lace wasn't doing this. I guess it's the lighting, but this hair is beautiful. This feels so nice. Guys, I'm gonna do my makeup and then I'm gonna come back and I'm gonna make it look wet, give it that wet vibe with my conditioner water. I'll be right back. Okay, you guys, so this is the finished look. First of all, I'm obsessed with this hair. It feels really, really nice, really, really soft. I don't know if I got used to the lace or if it looks better now, I'm not sure. But the actual hair itself, I'm obsessed, quite literally. It's nice and long, it's 20 inches. All the information about the hair will be in the description box below. So make sure to check that out. And yeah, I like it. I really like it. It's so soft. And it's a frontal as well. This particular wig is a frontal. So yeah, you guys, if you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Go ahead and share this video with your friends. We're on the road to 7K, so you already know what to do, okay? Just go ahead and click that subscribe button if you want to get your girl to 7K. And yeah, I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in my next one.